ammonia's gone. Hopefully we've done our job right. The phosphorus levels are down quite low as well. These perform the essential task of separating out the biology, the mixed liquor, all the bacteria we need for treatment, so we can return it back into the process from what is now the final effluent. And so the clarified effluent you see going over the weirs is pretty much what goes out and is discharged to the environment. So that's the effluent that we need to meet our discharge standards with in terms of BOD, ammonia, phosphorus. You've got that information on your handouts. And again, similarly to the primary tanks, these are designed largely on surface area. It's the surface area of the tank is the main engineering parameter you need for its function. Twofold: one, to settle the solids out, but also to allow the activated sludge coming through to thicken to about double the concentration. So the flow coming off the bottom of these tanks is about double the solids concentration and what goes on. So very roughly on a mass balance, the return sludge flow is about the same as the flow coming in. Therefore the solids concentration going out needs to be about twice as high as the solids concentration going in. So typically mixed liquor at about 4,000 milligrams per litre going into these tanks. The return activated sludge, or RAS, or WAS if you're American, because they call it RAS in both terminology, is about 8,000 milligrams per litre. Most of that goes back to the anaerobic zone. We'll take a stream off that all the time of surplus activated sludge, which is the yield, the biological yield of the process, all the extra bacteria we've grown. And again, similarly, there are 6 aeration lanes allowing us to take one whole lane out and do full treatment. There are 6 final settlement tanks. They're not dedicated to each lane. The flow is all commoned up and then it's split again to give us flexibility. So give us operational flexibility. These tanks are slightly smaller than the primary tanks, but there are 6 of them, so there is more settlement area for final tanks than there is for primary tanks. But the same concept. The side wall is about 4 meters deep, shallow slope on the floor, mechanical bridge pushing the sludge back towards the center. But with these ones, a much higher flow of sludge off. So the flow that goes into these tanks, about half the flow comes over the top, over the weir, and about half is taken out of sludge and back to the process. Right, we'll do a quick